about SMS. Maintain social distance, use mask and use sanitizer. Daily 3 or 4 times you should wash your hands. Okay. Now exercise 1.1 we are completed no? Now today our topic is how we can represent the rational numbers on a number line. Already you know whole numbers, integers, how we can represent on a number line. We studied in the 7th class. But this is a rational numbers, that is P by Q form numbers, how we can represent on a number line. Okay. Now representation of rational numbers on a number line. Now see, for example, between 1 and 2 represent a rational number between this is not represent minus 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 on a number line. Okay, so this is the fractional numbers, P by Q form numbers. How can you represent on a number line? So how we take this number line for integers or whole numbers? Same like that only. You have to take middle 0. But here we are not taking 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Here because we are represent the rational numbers. So how we can represent? Here you have to see the denominator. What is the denominator here? 5. This is a proper fraction. Okay. 3 by 5 is a proper fraction. Now denominator is 5. So we have to take the denominator in all fractions. You have to take the denominator as 5. Now start with 1. Numerator you have to change. Right side of the 0 all are positive you know. So similarly rational numbers also positive rational numbers towards the right side of the 0. Now 1 by 5 because denominator I said no, denominator will be same only. Numerator you should change. 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, here 5 by 5. 5 by 5 is nothing but 1. Okay. So 0 to 1 rational numbers 0. Here similarly to the left side of the 0 negative numbers you have to write the negative fractions. Same 1 minus 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5, minus 4 by 5, minus 5 by 5. So minus 5 by 5 is nothing but minus 1. Okay ma. Now 0 to 1, 0 to minus 1 we wrote. Then here positive side 3 by 5. So where is 3 by 5? Just you have to round up there. Enough. Here also left side just you have to round up where is minus 3 by 5. Okay. Where is minus 3 by 5 there you have to round up. So this is the way you can represent a rational number on a number line. This is for proper only. Now one more example we will see improper. If improper is there, how can you represent? Understood children? Now second example, improper I am taking. Example 2, improper. Represent 29 by 5. Represent 29 by 5 on a number line. Okay, denominator I will change. Previous sum we took 4, no, 5 no. Now I am taking 4. 29 by 4 on a number line. Here I am taking only one fraction. That is also improper. So improper fraction can be expressed in a mixed fraction. So improper fraction, what is the value of 29 by 4? Now divide 29 by 4 in the left column. In 4 table how many times 29 will come? It will come up? No. So 4 sevens are 28. 29 minus 1? 29 minus 28 is 1. Then how can you write in a mixed fraction? What the quotient you are getting? That is the whole number, and what's the remainder you are getting? That will become the numerator and divisor become the denominator. So 7 1 by 4 is the mixed fraction of this. Check whether you are getting right or wrong. 7 4s are 28 plus 1, 29 by 4. Okay. Now this how can we represent on a number line? This is two ways are there to represent on a number line. First way is how we can represent the proper fractions on a number line. 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5 up to where the fraction is given there we wrote. Like that if you write now, so here you will write 0. Suppose like that if you want to write 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 like that, you have to write 29 by 4. It becomes the big number line. The page is also not sufficient. Okay. So for improper fractions, what we can do means you have to change into mixed fraction, and after that what is the whole number is there. That whole number you have to put on a number line. 7 is the whole number here. So 7 1 by 4, that is this 1 by 4 lies between 7 and next whole number is 8. So here 8 I am writing. Understood? So before this, before 7, all fractions are there up to how much? 28 by 4. This is 28 by 4th fraction. Now next one 29 by 4 you have to write. That is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is nothing but this is 29 by 4. Understood children? So no need to write all the fractions on a number line how we wrote for the proper fraction. If the proper fraction is given compulsory you have to write like that way only. But in improper fraction you should change into mixed, and what the whole number is there, that whole number you have to start. Then next up to next whole number you have to write the between fractions. It is enough. Now this is 1 by 4. Here you can round up. This is easy way, no? Okay children, now understood? Now between rational numbers we will study. Representation of rational numbers between rational numbers. Representation of the between. B by W means between rational numbers. Between the rational numbers. The rational numbers. Example. Write a rational number. Otherwise, write 2. I will write. Write 2 rational numbers. Between. B by W means between 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3, I want 2 rational numbers. So how I can find them? Suppose if I ask between 2 and 3 is there any numbers? What you will say? No teacher, there is no number. Why? Because 2 after 3 only will come. What will be there between 2 and 3? You will say no. But numbers not there. Natural numbers, integers, that is not there. But rational numbers are there. Between 2 and 3, infinite number of rational numbers are there. How? That I will explain. Here, between rational numbers you have to find means here we are using the mean method. So, what is mean by mean method? Mean method or mean only you can write. Use the mean. Mean is A plus B by 2. This is the mean formula that you will be studied. This continuation you will be studied in 9th class. That is arithmetic mean. Okay, arithmetic mean, sum of the observations by number of observations that you will be studied. From that only we took mean. Mean is A plus B by 2. So, what is let A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Now, A plus B by 2. A is 2. 2 plus 3 value. B value is 3. 3 by 2. 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. 5 by 2. So therefore, for each and every step you should write compulsory therefore. Now what is the starting number? 2. 2 is less than 5 by 2 is less than 3. Understood children? Between 2 and 3 we got one rational number. Understood? Now next rational number also. Why? Because in question I asked 2 rational numbers. No. So one rational number we got between 2 and 3. One more you have to find. How can you find? Listen. Between 2 and 5 by 2 you can take. Otherwise between 5 by 2 and 3 you can take. Your wish. Between these two you can take. Otherwise between these two you can take. Your wish. Anyway you can do. Now I want to take between these two. So here let A is equal to 2 I am taking. Now B is equal to, between these two I am taking, no, that's why this one I am taking as B. B is equal to 5 by 2. Now again I have to write the mean. In each and every step, how many rational numbers he is asking? In each step you should write A and B values and mean formula compulsory. Okay. Now mean is equal to A plus B by 2. That is A value is 2. Now B value, how much I took ma? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 by 2. This by 2 is the formula denominator. Now for this, for numerator I have to take the LCM. So what is the LCM for numerator? Here there is no denominator, means 1 is the denominator now. So 1 and 2. What is the LCM? 2 is the LCM. So here 2 you have to write as LCM. In 2 table 2 1 will come, in 1 table 2 will come one time, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 divided by 2 1, 1 5s are 5. Now this by 2 you have to write as this. Now 4 plus 5 9 by 2. Now again by 2 9 by 2. This by 2 is the formula by 2. Okay. Now that equal to 9 by 2. This by 2 is there, no? This is in division. When the division is changed into multiplication, you should write the reciprocal of that. This is by 2 only, divided by 2. The divided symbol I changed into multiplication. So when I change the division into multiplication, the fraction means this one like this one. 9 by 2 divided by 2. This is the form. Then what I did here? 9 by 2 into this division I changed into multiplication. So this reciprocal I have to take. So what is the reciprocal of 2? 1 by 2. Reciprocal means changing of numerator into denominator. Now here denominator is 1. Now you have to change. 2 by 1 is nothing but 1 by 2. Like that I got 1 by 2. Now multiply. 9 ones are 9, by 2 twos are 4. So what the fraction, what the rational number you got? 9 by 4. Now therefore compulsory you have to write, no? So how can you write therefore for this? First therefore, between first rational number we wrote. Now second therefore, what is the first number? 2. 2 less than. Now between these two we took, no? So between these two, what the answer we got? 9 by 4. 9 by 4 less than 5 by 2 less than 3. Now understood? So two rational numbers we got here. 9 by 4, 5 by 2. Like this, so many rational numbers we can insert between any two numbers. So suppose he is asking find 6 rational numbers. Again between these two or between these two or between these two. Like this you can find so many infinite number of rational numbers. Understood? Okay ma'am. Now exercise 1.2. I hope you will be understood this one. Okay. Now exercise 1.2 will do. For this inserting of the numbers between any two rational numbers, you will get 4 marks. Suppose he is asking insert only 1 and 2 means 2 marks sum, that is. Insert 5 or 6 rational numbers means 4 marks sum, that is. So suppose inserting 4 rational numbers means 4 times you have to write the mean formula, 4 times you have to write the therefore, 4 times you have to write A and B values, like that. Okay. Now See, in exercise 1.2 homework, exercise 1.2, see first one, represent the numbers on the number line. Represent the numbers on the number line. First bit, 9 by 7. 9 by 7 is a proper or improper? Improper. So what we can do? You can change into proper, you can change into mixed and right. How I said 29 by 6, 29 by 4, no? Like that. Now minus 7 by 5. 7 by 5, minus 7 by 5 is also improper. Okay, that also you change into mixed and right on the left side. Okay, then represent minus 2 by 13, 5 by 13, minus 9 by 13 on the number line. Just you have to represent this. First you have to start with 1 by 13, 2 by 13, 3 by 13 like that, and negative side also like that, and round up. Then write 5 rational numbers between which are smaller than 5 by 6. So write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is there. To that, you have to write 5 rational numbers smaller than that. So what are the 5 rational numbers you can write? Between 0 and 5 by 6 if you take, you will get what? Between rational numbers you will get that. Less than that. Okay. Again, 4, 12. Find 12 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. 12 rational numbers. In example 2, I said only 2 rational numbers. But here he is asking 12 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. 12 rational numbers means you will get 4 or 5 pages answer. Okay. So, if you know means you can write up to 3 or 4 rational numbers enough. If you know the procedure is enough, 12 means it will take more number of pages. So, at least minimum 5 rational numbers you can write down. Okay, ma'am? Now, fifth one. Find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Okay, so only fifth one I will explain because it is in the rational form. Now, okay, here homework you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4 sums only. 1, 2, 3 and 4 sums. These 4 sums are homework. Okay. Now, see, fifth sum between rational numbers, that is, let direct answer I am saying, question you copy from the textbook. Let A is equal to 2 by 3 and B is equal to 3 by 4. So, use mean formula again. Mean is equal to, what is that mean? A plus B by 2. Now A value is 2 by 3 plus B value is B by 4 by 2. Now here LCM you have to take for numerator. LCM you have to take for numerator. 3 and 4. Is there any common table for 3 and 4? No. You have to multiply. 3 4s are 12. Now 12 is the LCM. In 3 table how many times 12 will come? How many times? 4 times. 4 2s are 8. Plus in 4 table how many times 12 will come? 3 times. 3 3s are 9 by 2. Now 8 plus 9 17. 17 by 12 by 2. Okay, 17 by 12 by 2. I said how can you change the division into multiplication? 17 by 12 divided by 2. Division we are changing into multiplication means you have to take the reciprocal of the denominator. This one, 2. So reciprocal is 1 by 2. That is 17 by, how much you will get marks? 17 by 24. 17 by 24 is the between rational numbers. Therefore, 2 by 3 less than 17 by 24 less than 3 by 4. So, this is the answer. He is asking only one rational number. So, one rational number we got. Okay. If the whole numbers are given 3 and 4, 1 and 2 like that, you can easily solve. But here we are getting the rational numbers. So, same procedure you can do. Understood? Okay, ma. Thank you, children. I hope all are understood. Please do the homework. Okay, thank you.